Everyone thought Italy was the first country to make pizza. But that's not true. The pizza was first made in the Mediterranean countries, especially Greece and possibly Turkey, where the Greeks were making thin bread and putting sauces and vegetables on it, and prepared it on a hot stones. But today we are not going to talk about the past, but we will show you how to produce amazing pizza with the help of modern technology. Is the leading manufacturer of bakery equipment production. Now this company produces all kind of festive pizza, croissants, pies and other best smart baking equipment. To make the dough for the crust, they combine flour, salt, sugar and yeast with water and oil in a large mixture. They also add cornmeal for taste. The mixer is turned on for about 4 minutes to allow the ingredients to mix well. The dough rises for about half an hour. The whole process is automated, which greatly reduces the error rate and the wastage of materials. The prepared dough is then automatically transported to the next stage by the conveyor belt to prepare the famous pizza dough. At this stage, a sheeting machine then rolls the dough into a flat sheet 2.5 cm thick. Then the side cutters cut off the excess of dough. The flour is provided with light dust so that the dough is not stuck to the machinery. A series roller known as a fast reducer gives the dough an even consistency. The flour brush masses the dough, ensuring a smooth surface. The next stainless steel spike is drilled 7 to 10 mm deep into the dough. These holes will prevent air pockets from forming in the dough. A large plastic roller with several rounded probes cuts the pizza dough into a round shape. The machine automatically separated the rest of the dough. The factory mixes it with fresh flour for the next batch. At this point, a worker randomly picks up the sample and tests the weight of the pizza dough. A conveyor takes the circles to their next destination, oven. They bake it for 2 minutes at 200 to 315 degrees Celsius. Inside the oven there are 5 chambers. The temperature pattern is automatically adjusted so that each bakes evenly. At a later stage, the baked dough is transferred to separate conveyor belts so that different ingredients can be added. The conveyor belt transfers future pizza to an automatic sauce dispensing platform. Surprisingly, their distances are accurately measured so that a small amount of material is not wasted. Pizza cheese is prepared on the other side of the factory. The big cheeses are broken down into smaller pieces, and then the smaller ones are made into a 4 mm length and 2 mm weight. Mounds of pre-shaded mozzarella cheese are ready to be added. A cheese applicator machine controls the output so that the mozzarella cheese from even layer. Large hoppers even need applicator load heaps of pepperoni, sauces and other meat toppings. With the tomato sauce and cheese, the meat toppings cascade down into the pizza crust. The spare ingredients are transported in a special conveyor belt for refuse. According to the company, this automated frozen pizza production line is capable of producing 10,000 Italian pizzas, 18,000 American pizzas per hour. But in this case, humans have to rely on many parts. The process begins when the worker prepares dough in a special tray which is placed on a conveyor belt. The pizza are then transported to the sauce dispensing platform. And then transferred to the cheese dispensing platform. But unlike the previous line, the waste of material is slightly higher than the previous ones. The human role is essential at this stage. In the next stage, the pizza was transferred to a special oven with the help of a conveyor belt and the help of the workers. After processing, workers take the pizza to another conveyor belt and take it to the packaging stage. The pizzas are then put into a spiral freezer called blast cell, where they spend about 20 minutes at minus 31.6 degrees Celsius. Initially, pizza is sliced with the help of a special cutting machine. An overwarping machine applies a clean layer of plastic each pizza and automatically cutting the work to fit. A mission control system takes pictures of each pizza that verifies its diameter and export any errors. The machine automatically rejects the pizza with perfection. Eventually, a worker pushes each pizza into a waiting box. The semi-automatic line was made by the Stick Packaging Machinery of Canada. In the end, we hope you like this report and don't forget that your opinions and comments are the only way to develop the channel. And don't forget to like cool gadgets and future technologies, amazing innovation and other cool tech related to technology on the channel of Satkahan. Subscribe, do not regret the link on the screen and in the description. And on this today, all my workshop is your go.